Hi, this is LaFonso Woods, Ancient Portals, and this is part 2 of a 4-part series I call The Math Does Not Add Up. Part 2 is the Kafre Pyramid. Estimates of the total number of blocks range from 1.9 million, according to some archaeological surveys, to 2.3 million in other historical reconstructions. The pyramid's volume is approximately 2.2 million cubic meters, so I would kind of lean towards that 2.3 million number. The granite blocks number count is unknown, but numbers into the few thousand. The average weight of the blocks is said to be 2.5 tons each. Historical and archaeological sources agree that construction began around 2558 BCE and was completed by about 2532 BCE. This means the pyramid was built over a period of roughly 26 years. The pace required to complete this task would be 10.098 blocks per hour, or 242.3 per day, non-stop, 365 days a year for 26 years straight. Blocks that weigh on average of 2.5 tons need to be cut, shaped, and moved, lifted into place at that pace non-stop in a 100+ degree heat, much hotter than it is today. As far as the granite, it is a scientifically proven fact that bronze and copper tools do not work on granite and are only able to make a few millimeters of cuts per hour. For anything moved by boat, you have to factor in the distance traveled and the fact that the row sailboats can only go at a max speed of about 2 miles per hour, and when traveling upstream, which has to happen on one leg of the trip, they would have to roll on days of no wind and 100+ degree heat, traveling from and back to the Aswan quarries. Although it was a few thousand granite blocks, it still takes 9 days to travel. You have to factor that in. Do we believe people did this during that time frame at the pace of 242.3 blocks per day? That weigh on average of 2.5 tons each, with some exceeding 50 through 100 tons, non-stop, 365 days a year, for 26 years straight. I believe the math doesn't add up. Thank you for watching. Ancient Portals, out.